So, hello everyone, very good afternoon and good evening depending on wherever you are. So, here we are today with the NTPC live mock discussion. Radhe Radhe, Aman, very good afternoon, very good afternoon everyone, very good afternoon. So, how was the mock? Everybody, first of all, how was the mock? As I ask you guys every day, like every week, how was it? It was good? Chalo. So, first of all, I'm audible properly, right? I'm audible properly to everybody. Audible, visible, no issues in the connections. Audible. I hope I'm audible because it is showing I'm quite loudly audible. Chalo. Sir, let's discuss the first question. Was this one? Yes, good evening, brother. Very good evening. Chalo. So, sir, what is the best way of solving this? Think a little bit. So this is, the options are all constants. Now that means the options are independent of A, sir. Independent of A. Here the variable was A, right, sir? That gives us a very Tamil medium student. Ravi, I don't know, brother, Tamil. I don't know how to speak Tamil, brother. If I had known, I would have definitely asked, I've spoken in that particular language. I'm a Bengali, I can talk a little bit Bengali, but again, that's not something. So mostly I'll be speaking in English. If you have any doubts, now please feel free to ask me. I'll definitely be able to try to help you as much as possible. Okay, but again, I don't even know a single word of Tamil, brother. Okay. Now, sir, coming over here, independent of A if you need, na. So independent of A, that is kind of certain, because the all four options are kind of what? So these are not, there is no A involved. That means whatever value of A I put, so these are called identities, sir. Identity concept is this one, sir. Meaning, sir, whatever value of A I'll put here, it will work. It will give me the same value. Just an example. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is, you see, left hand side we have a variable theta, but right is always 1. So that means it does not matter whatever you put on theta, it will always be 1. So it's sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree 1. Sine square 200 degree plus cos square 200 degree. It is always 1. So now let's use a value which is very suitable to us. One thing, sir, cot A tan A is here, na? It's better not to take 0. So let's take anything between 30, 60, whatever. So at least do one thing, sir. Now I know if I take 45 degree, na, sir. If I take A is equal to 45 degree. You see, I can take 30, I can take 45, I can take 60, anything. But if I take 45 degree, one thing for certain, cot A and tan A both are equal to 1 at 45. So this particular value is whole is zeros. I don't even need to calculate. Thoda kam ho gaya. So definitely it helped us a little bit, sir. Then cosec A minus sin A, sir. Cosec 45, sir, root 2 minus 1 by root 2 whole square, sir. Plus again, sir, this is also root 2 minus 1 by root 2 whole square. Meaning, sir, it is nothing but 2 times of this. 2 times of root this whole thing. So root 2 is the LCM, root 2 plus into root 2 is 2 minus 1, sir. That is whole square. That is, sir, whole square. Root 2 into root 2 is, sir, 2. 2 minus 1, this is. So 2, so this is 1 by root 2 whole square means 1 by 2, that is equal to 1, sir. The option number 3, it was our correct answer. Option number 3. Option number 3, 1. Again, anytime you see an identity, always this is the best method. Just put down whatever values you can. Clear, I hope this one? Absolutely clear. Moving on to the next one, second question, sir. Moving on to our second question, sir. The internal length, breadth and height of a cuboidal room is given, sir. It's very formula based mensuration question. the total cost of whitewashing only 4 walls of the room at the this thing is this. Okay, find the value of x. Sir, what is the total so like this area? Total area over here we need CSA because we just whitewashing the 4 walls. So always let me say one thing. Always let me say a very simple thing. In any 3D mensuration diagram, if CS area, meaning cross-sectional area, remains the same, remains constant throughout the height, meaning please understand what I'm trying to say here. So if I take a room, you see, just visualize the room that you are sitting in. I'm not drawing anything. So whatever is the floor area, same is the roof area. You see, whatever is the floor area, same is the roof area, meaning this is constant. Whereas if I take a cone, for example, if you take a cone, for example, whenever we are going up, the area is like kind of shrinking, sir, because if I draw a simple cone here, sir, you see, sir, this area, this part, the area is this. We go up, sir, area has reduced. We go still up, the area is again reduced. So whenever this happens, like this particular thing that I'm saying, that is not valid. But if this is not the case, if the cross-sectional area is constant, always remember the CAC, curved surface area, or the area of 4 walls in case of a cube or cuboid. It is always, sir, perimeter of the base into, sir, height. This is a wonderful way to remember the formulas. And sir, similarly, I'm just giving you volume will be, sir, area of the base into, sir, height. So I've given you 2 things here, right? So over here, let us do this. Length and breadth are these 2, height is at this. So the area or the cross-sectional area, it is what's the perimeter of the base. Perimeter is I can say it's a rectangle. So 2 into 9 plus 5, 2 into length plus breadth, into, sir, height. Into height means, sir, this is 8. That is the area I need to whitewash. Into what, sir? Per square feet rate is X rupees. Total cost is 3360. So total area into per square feet rate is I can say it is equal to the total costing. Just calculate, sir. Just do a simple calculation. This is 16 2s are 32 and this is 80. Sir, again, sir, 8 2s are 16, 10. Sir, again, sir, x is equal, so this is 14, you see. 14, like 7s are 2, 14, this is 30, sir. This is 15, sir. Sir, x value is 15. Directly we can say from this equation, option number 2 is our correct answer. Option number 2 is our correct answer. But again, rather than this only one question, please remember this if you don't know this already. If you don't know this already, please, this will help you tremendously. And also, if the cone-like structure happens where I'm showing cross-sectional area is reducing, volume is same, there is a multiplicating factor of 1/3 comes from integration. There is, you need to multiply the thing with 1/3. Happens with cone, happens with pyramid. You see, both the cases, this same thing happens. You multiply 1/3. Similarly, nothing else. Right? Clear this? Moving on, sir. Third question. A certain sum of money will become 19 times of itself in these many years at simple interest. In how many years it will become 25 times? Do not worry. This is as simple as it gets. As simple. Sir, sum of money, principal, I told you in percentage approach, principal is always 100%, sir. This is your principal. This is becoming 19 times, meaning, sir, 1900%. 100 into 19. Sir, this is why it increases, because the interest is keep getting added. Interest is kind of adding up. So that means, sir, what is interest? Sir, can I say 1800% is the interest, sir? 1800% is nothing but the interest. In how many years I got? In how many years I got 1800% interest? Sir, in 72 years, sir. Sir, again, now what needs to happen? I'm not calculating. Now what needs to happen? It needs to become 100% needs to become 2500%, 25 times. Meaning, sir, this is 2400% will be my interest. So I need to somehow achieve 2400% of interest. Sir, 1800% I'm getting in 72 years. Sir, in how many years can I get 2400%? Anybody will say, sir, do this thing only. Just do this thing, sir, by 1800 into 2400. So 2 zeros gone. So like 6 fours are this, 6 threes are this. Or rather, you can directly calculate it this. Chalo, theek hai. 24. 24 fours are 96. So in 96 years, such thing will happen, sir. In 96 years, such thing will happen, sir. Everybody, 100% clear this, 100% clear this. This is the best way to solve. Do not, there is, in many books, there is a formula for this type of questions. You do not need any formula. I'm telling you. You just simply calculate percentage. There is no better way. Sir, in a trapezium PQRS, chalo, let's see, na, sir. Trapezium PQRS, sir. Okay, sir. Trapezium. PQ is parallel to SR, sir. PQRS. So this is parallel to this. Length of the line segment joining the this one. Midpoints, sir. I'm giving a very, very important shortcut. Remember this. Remember this shortcut like till the day you die. Midpoint lines. So this is a midpoint of a diagonal. This is the diagonal midpoint. So if you join this, I'm saying this is MN. Understand, this is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now, please understand, I'm giving you one very important trick here. Very, very important trick. Always, MN, the line joining the midpoints of the diagonals, it will always be what? Sir, half of the difference between the parallel sides. I'm given a mod because it should be positive. MN is a length. Length can never be negative. So, mod is just because of that. So, this is PQ minus SR, sir. Minus SR. Why? Again, this is a very, very important property. Please, please, please remember this. CGL and NTPC, like RRBs, like the SSC and RRB, both has some particular affinity towards this particular formula. I don't know why. But again, you will get so many questions from this. Sir, now, according to the question, this is 4.5, sir. It is equal to half into PQ minus SR. Now, I don't know which is greater, which is less. I can avoid this thing for the time being. Sir, can I say PQ minus SR will be 9, sir? So, one equation I got. Another, sir, another, sir. Now, they are saying longer parallel side of the trapezium if it is 20% more than the shorter parallel side. Sir. That means, if I say PQ is the longer side and SR is the smaller side, or if you can take opposite as well. In that case, you need to write SR minus PQ. So that means if I say SR, the shorter side, it is 5x. So why 5x? Because 20% is 1/5. We all know 20% value is 1 by 5. So if SR is 5x, so can I say PQ will be 20% more? That means 6 by 5 times, that will be 6x. They have given you that is equal to 9, meaning 6x minus 5x, that is difference of x, that is equal to 9 units from this equation. They are asking like find the longer parallel side, meaning they find the value of 6x. X is 9, 6x is 6 9s are 54 centimeter. Option number 2, sir. Option number 2 is your correct answer. Again, very, very, very important property, this one. I'm telling you, please feel free to go through this. Feel free to, again, if you need a class on these type of techniques, just a quick thing. I told you guys, we are kind of like running a campaign for like 20, like this is for both NTPC as well as SSC candidates. So we are running free live classes every week on our platform. I personally take the free class on every Saturday at 10 a.m. So this is 1 hour session, and the topic generally is whatever you guys ask of me. So I always give this opportunity to everyone. So if you guys have any topic from this thing, sir, I don't know this shortcut, I don't know how to approach these questions, please do comment in under the video of this particular video. I will be happy to take up those topics one by one. I'm like in the free classes. Every Saturday I take this. Every Saturday. Okay. Chalo ji sir. Sir, next question. The total surface area of a cylinder is given. Okay. What is the radius of the cylinder if the ratio of its radius and height is 2:5 respectively? Okay, sir. Sir, radius is at 2x I am taking. Height is at 5x I am taking. Sir, what is the total surface area, sir? In a cylinder, there are 3 surfaces, you think. And sir, the surface, the lateral surface, I have again just right like few seconds ago, I have given you one thing. In case CSA remains same, cylinder, in case of cylinder also, you see the CSA always the same. The curved surface area, that the cross sectional area, that doesn't change. So CSA will be, sir, perimeter of the base into height. Now, in case of cylinder, what happens? In case of cylinder, so this is triangle, this is a circle, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. So always this is the like the perimeter of the base, that is a 2 pi r into sir height into sir height. That is your curved surface area. But total surface area they are asking. So what I need to add? I need to add 2 surfaces here and here. That is 2 into pi r square each. Both are circles. So this is your total surface area. That is 792. Do not worry, sir. Sir, I know 2 pi I can take common. Sir, r into h. R is what, sir? R is 2x radius. This is your r. This is your h. So that is r into h means 5 into 2, 10 into x squared, sir. Plus over here it is r square. That means this is 2 square into x square, that is 4x squared, sir. That is 792, sir. Again, sir, 2 into pi is 22 and by 7 into 14 times x square, that is 792. So again 2 gone. So 22 to 11s, if I cancel, it is 2. 11 7s are 77, 2s are this. So 2 and 2 4, 18 4s are this. Again, sir, this is equal to 9. X square is 9, the value of x is 3, sir. The value of x is 3. Now what they are asking? What they are asking? Radius of the cylinder, radius, so 2x, x is 3, so radius will be 6. 6 centimeter, option number 1 is our correct answer, sir. It is the correct answer. Very, very simple questions. Again, we are trying to keep as simple as possible. And if you're liking the session, please do hit the like button. Please. That is that like kind of gives this video some more reach. Again, sir, Q plus R. P is 25% more than Q. 20 and 25% less than R. Chalo. Sir, P here, Q here, R here. Sir, first line, Q, if I take Q as 100. Sir, P is what, sir? P is 25% more, meaning 125. Again, sir, P is what, sir? 25% less than R, sir. So can I use R to figure out, like using the modular method? I have shown you something like modular method. Sir, 25% less than R. That means what? This means what? You can take it, like you do it by using ratio as well, but I am doing it directly. So 25% less than R means if R is, sir, 100, P will be, sir, 25% less means 75. Now, sir, P is already, I know, 125. So that means what will be the fraction, sir? This represents P, that means 75 here. I need R, I'll multiply 100 here. So that is your R, sir. You see another application of sir modular method. Sir, calculate, sir. 25 3s are this, 25 5s are this. Sir, simply can you say, sir, it is 5 by 3 into 100. Right, sir? This is 5 by 3 into 100. Let's do one thing, sir. Let us do one thing. Q plus R will find. Take it. Then it's okay, sir. 500 by 3, let's give. Then Q plus R they are asking. Q is this, R is this. So if I say Q plus R, sir, 500 plus 3 into 100, 800 by 3, sir. 800 by 3. Now please understand. I need to figure out in terms of P only. In terms of P only. Please understand this. 800, so that means they are asking 800 by 3 is what? Of 125. Sir, what is the factor that is they are asking? So that means Q plus R, that is 800 by 3. I'll divide this by P, that is 125. So that means it will be 800 by 3 into 125. This is 5 times. This is how much? This is 525. 8 4s are 32, sir. So it is 32 by 15 times. Option number, sir, 2. Option number 2 is your correct answer. But again, 30. No, it's okay. So this option number 2 is your correct answer. Again, if that means you see Q plus R, it is equal to 32 by 15 times P, sir. You can figure it out. Like if you want to check, you can also like verify using 32 by 15 into P means sir 125. You will get 800 by 3. That is another way of checking as well by options. Clear, sir? Clear, sir? Moving on, sir. Sir, it's a very, very simple question. Again, I guess you guys can see this now. You guys can see this question. Hopefully, sir. So the following table shows total expenditure and savings of 6 people living in a city. Okay, sir. Like Mahabharata. What is the ratio of total expenditure of A and D together? Again, data picking is always your first step. I told you guys countless times. In a DI, the first step always is data picking, sir. Data picking is always your first step. So expenditure, I need this one. A and D together, that means this value and this value, sir. Okay, that is a 27,000. And that total savings of B and F. So savings means this column B and F, this 17,000, 8,500. So this is 17 and 8. 17 and 8 is 25, 25,500, sir. This is also, let me write 27,000. They are asking ratio between them. So ratio between 27,000 is to 25,500. First things first, 2 zeros are gone. 5 say if you do, sir, it is 51. And 5 say if you do, this is 5, like 54, sir. Can you do anything, sir? Can you do anything? 3 se jayega. 3 17s, 3 18s. Sir, 18 ratio 17, option number 1. That is your correct answer, sir. That is correct answer. Very, very simple question. Now, if you can get a hold of this data picking thing in 10 seconds, in every DI you will be able to solve in 10-15 seconds at max. Sir, next one. Aditya alone can complete the whole work in 72 days, while Tina and Prakash together can complete in 36 days. Okay. Ratio of efficiency of Aditya and Tina is this. In how many days Prakash and Aditya together can complete the whole work? So there are so many different ways of solving this. You can only, if you are very, like if you are strong in quant, if you can directly solve it with like using only ratio. Using only ratio. But sir, at least like let's not take everybody to be experts. So let's use LCM. LCM method only. I am taking total work, sir. No? LCM of the time given, that is 36 and 72. 36 and 72, and everybody will say no, sir, that is 72 units only, because 72 itself is a multiple of 36. So now that means sir, Aditya, what is the efficiency of Aditya? Efficiency of Aditya, sir, he is completing 72 days, like 72 units in 72 days, meaning it is 1 unit a day. That is the efficiency of Aditya. A stands for Aditya. Sir, again, what about Tina and Prakash? Sir, Tina plus Prakash, they are doing 36 days, like taking for completing 72, meaning the efficiency, sir, 2 unit a day, sir. Remember this. Again, sir, efficiency of Aditya and Tina is given. Aditya ratio Tina, it is 5 ratio 8. Sir, that means, sir, and I know the value of Aditya, that is 1 unit a day. So that means 5 units is equal to 1. Sir, 8 units will be what, sir? 8 units will be, sir, can I say 8 by 5 units? 8 by 5 units a day, sir. Because 5 to 1 means division by 5. It is division by, sir, 5. That means here also we will divide by 5 to get the ratio, like the efficiency of Tina. So, sir, Tina is doing 8 by 5 units. So Prakash is doing how much, sir? Total, sir, 2. So 2 minus 8 by 5, that is 2 by 5 units. 2 minus 8 by 5, 5 2 is 10 minus this 8, that is 2 by 5 units. Now they are saying Aditya and Prakash are now working together. They will work. What is their combined efficiency? 1 here, 2 by 5 here. Sir, 1 plus 2 by 5. That is their combined efficiency. And they need to, in order to complete the whole work, they need to do how much? The total work is 72. That many days they will take, sir. So 5 to 7, 72 times 5 divided by, sir, 7 units. 72 into 5 means, sir, by to 360, 360 by 7. Option number 3. One very important trick here. If you guys don't know, sir, how do you calculate, sir? 72 into 5, no, sir. You always see 5, you multiply 2 here and divide by 2. This is 336 into 10, that is 360. That is how I have calculated. The same technique can be used for 25 as well as 125. The same technique can be used for 5, 25, 125, both in case of multiplication as well as division. Keep this in mind. Very, very useful trick. It's a very basic ratio question. Sum of present ages of two friends A and B is 48. That is A plus B is 48. 2 years later, the ratio of their ages becomes 6:7. Acha, sir. So let's start from here. Let us start from here, sir. That means A will be 6x years old, B will be 7x years old. So this is after 2 years. So present age is -2, -2, sir. So this is given as 48, sir. That means a 6 plus, that is 13x, minus 4 is 42, so 13x is 52, x is equal to, sir, 4. So I got the value. I got their value. What is the difference of their ages? Now let me say one thing. Sir, does it matter whether I'm taking the difference of the current age or whether I'm taking the difference of the ages of 2 years after or 2 years before? Because difference is always constant. If someone is 2 years older than you, so 10 years down the line also you will always be 2 years older than. You see, you can never dispute that. So that means I can use this ratio, I don't need to put values anywhere. The difference is, sir, 1 unit, 6:7, 1 unit. So that is 4, I already know. 1 unit is x only, that is 4. So I can definitely say, sir, this is your answer. I can definitely say you don't need to do the calculate what is the percentage of A, what is the percentage of B, then I'll do the subtraction. No need of that. No need of that. Absolutely no need. I hope this is absolutely clear. Moving on, sir. Moving on. Some very difficult, very complicated looking question. 1/3 of the population are males in a society. The ratio of literate to illiterate is 5:3. Okay, sir. If 1/5 of the female population is literate, then find the ratio of literate to illiterate women. Chalo, theek hai, sir. Sir, male, female, sir. Let's see, sir. Ratios are 5 ratio, 1/3 is the population are male. So, sir, let's do it. So, male is 100, female is 200, then, sir, total 300 I am taking. Right? Now, 300 again, sir, 5:3, it will not work that good. So let's do one thing. 3 8s are 2400. Let's take 2400. I'm taking the total population. Total. So 1/3 of that means 1/3 of that means, sir, 800, and here 1600 females. You will see why I have taken this. What advantage will we be having from here? You will see. So literate to illiterate is 5:3. Total 5 plus 3, 8 parts is 2300. One part is, 2400. One part is equal to 300. So literate is how much, sir? Literate is 5 3s are 1500. Illiterate, sir, that is, sir, the remaining you can say 900, or 3 3s are 900, that also. Now they are saying 1/5 of the female population is illiterate. Female population, 1/5 of them. So 1/5 of 1600, that is 320. Again, the trick I've used, that I used in the last line, multiply or division by 5. So 320 females are illiterate. So ratio of illiterate to literate male population. Okay, sir. illiterate, so 2 literate male. Achha, can I? So let's see. So illiterate is 320. So illiterate male will be, this is 320 illiterate females. So illiterate male will be, sir, 900 minus 320, that is 580, sir. This is male who are illiterate. Illiterate male, that is 580. Total, sir, 800. So literate male will be what, sir? Sir, 600. So this is 220, sir. They are asking literate to illiterate ratio. 220 ratio 580, sir. Calculate this. Sir, 11, this is 29, sir. 11 ratio 29 is the answer. Option number 1, sir. Option number 1, sir. Very simple question, but very complicated looking. That in the beginning only I told you. Because these type of languages with experience, you'll see, like very, very confusing. You have to do all the lines. You don't have any shortcuts or anything. Next, sir. Next. The simplest question of the entire exam, sir. 140 for 12, 13, 9, 8. Now, if you don't know, remember the squares or cubes, please, this is the time. This is the high time. So it is 2 I'm getting. 13 minus 9, 4, 12 plus 4, 16 by 8 is 2. This is the high time you need to be able to remember all the squares. Use this technique that I generally say. I generally say, take a piece of paper, like write down all the values, the squares and the cubes, and paste it where in a wall where you spend most of your days. Wherever you spend most of your days, like kind of paste it in one of those walls. That's the best trick to kind of remember the values. So this thing now I'm not too sure about. I guess my typist has made a mistake here. Can you guys give me just 1 second? Can you guys please give me just 1 second? Let me just kind of open the original test. This particular question I guess typed very wrongly, sir. Just a second. Can anyone tell me which was the question number? What was the question number of this question? What was the question number? Yes, I got. Acha. If x equal to 25, then find the value of. I'm taking a screenshot only. This was the question. This was the. Because he hadn't typed wrong, just a little bit weird way. So this is. So it is how to calculate, sir. Sir, how to calculate with x equal to 25. X equal to 25, sir. So there are 2 ways. You can either put the value directly, or you can say, no, sir, let's calculate. X square plus 25x minus 8x plus 2x. So it gives us x square plus minus 8 plus this is minus 6. So it is plus 19x. Sir, now you can put the value. Now you can put the value. Sir, it is 600. So 25 square, that is 625 plus, sir, 19 times 25. 19 times 25. So let's do a very simple exercise here. You see, can you guys understand or not? 625 ends in 25. 19 into 25. It always ends in, sir, 75. Can you guys see this? Can you like say this? Can I say this? Because, sir, 25 times 16. This is into any multiple, 25 into any multiple of 4, na, it ends in 100, 00. You see, 4, like this is 400, 25 times 16. 25 times 16 is 400. So 17 will be ending in 25, 18 will be ending in 50, 19 will be ending in 75. So I can say my last 3 digits, whatever my answer is, it has to be 100. It has to be 100 last 3 digits. I'm not calculating. I'm trying to avoid calculations. Check the options, sir. Check the options, sir. This options are also wrong. Sir, 1100 is the only correct option, sir, because that is ending in 100. This one, no, sir. This one, no, sir. This one, no, sir. Everybody, this is a beautiful way of understanding questions. Now, this will only come when you start loving numbers. So, sir, here also, there is a small problem. This thing here is typed twice and these are all cubes. the value of 4abc? It's a very, very good question. You don't really have any shortcut because there are 3 variables involved. You do not really have any shortcut. There are 3 variables involved here, sir. So whenever you see this now, take the first 2 relations and try to figure out anything, like whether you can do anything. Sir, if I take the whole square, if I square both the sides, a plus b plus c whole square, I know a formula, sir. A square plus b square plus c square plus twice of ab plus bc plus ca. It is equal to right hand side also 6 square is 36. So this much is the 32. It is given. So if I put down the value, so it is 32 plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. It is equal to 36. So it is gone plus 4 and 2 2s are 4, sir. So I can simply say ab plus bc plus ca, it is equal to 2, sir. Keep this to the side. Keep this to the side. Again, I'm saying there is not like so much of maneuverability over here. You cannot really do much with this. But again, sir, you are saying, sir, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. I don't really have any formula for that. But I do have a formula for our expression if it is written like this. Sir, it is equal to, sir, a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, or sir, minus common, I can take this as plus, right, sir? And this is now I can put down my values because I almost know all the values. A plus b plus c 6, sir. Put it down, sir. Into, so I'm writing it here over here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 times abc. It is 6 into, sir, a square plus b square plus c square, you know, so that is again 32. Put it down. So 32 minus ab plus bc plus ca, also we know that is 2, sir. So that means, and a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now put down the values here. So this is, I can say, how much? This is, sir, 189. Sir, you see ABC I have got. So answer to mera aa gaya, almost done, sir. So 189 minus 3 times ABC, it is equal to 6 into 30. This is 30, 6 30s are 180, sir. Sir, ABC value is, sir, 3. So 4 times ABC value will be, sir, 4 times 3, that is 12. Option number 1. Option number 1. Again, let me say this. If there was 2 variables here, I could have used like some techniques, or like you put something here in place of B or what. But 3 variables, no, sir, you can't really do anything. You can't really do much here. Very, very limited options you have in front of your, like in your hand. So again, please remember this, sir. How many prime numbers? Sir, again, sir, there is absolutely no shortcut, no formula, no theory for figuring out prime numbers. The only theory you can use is, it's called Fermat's little theorem. Little theorem. Again, this is completely irrelevant for your preparation. It's a big thing. In the 2010s, you would be happy to know this was kind of supposed to be the best theorem to figure out whether a number is prime or not. But this theorem actually has some issue. If you are someone like me, like who is kind of very much interested in mathematics freak. So there is something called pseudo primes. There is a problem called pseudo primes. In Fermat's little theorem, 1729 is one such number. It's like it is not exactly prime, but Fermat's little theorem is saying it's prime. But that was the best option that we had till 2010s. 2010s, like in that, I don't exactly remember the exact, like I don't remember the exact year. 3 IIT Bombay professors from computer science department, they kind of made a new algorithm to figure out whether a number is prime or not. And till date, that is the best way or the best theorem out there in the whole world to figure out whether a number is prime or not. Okay, so just a quick information, nothing related with this. We don't need any of this. And the name of that theorem has started with all 3, like the first letters of all 3 professors. Sir, like you can only remember, sir, 311 and then 313, sir, 317, 3, sir, 31, 331, yes, 331, 37, 37 is also divisible, right? Any more, anybody, any more theorems, anything else? Can anyone figure it out? Can anyone tell me? Because I feel there is supposed to be another one. At least there has to be some another one, sir. Another one, sir. Anything. Anyone. Anyone, sir. 330, 330, 17. Yes, 347. Yes, 341, 343. Yes, this is a prime number. Yes. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Option में ही तो नहीं है. Option is not there. 1 second. Where is that question? Again, it's very difficult to actually figure out the question. But can you guys see any prime that I might have missed? That I might have missed. 333 not possible. 335 not possible. Acha, yes, 337 is a prime number. Yes. No. रुको. 337, 347 के बाद भी तो we didn't check. 349, the only possible. Is it a prime number? 1, 3, not possible. 7, 9, 11, 9, 13. Yes, this is also. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 prime numbers in total. 7 prime numbers in total. 7 prime numbers in total. Again, I'm saying this type of prime number finding questions, the only way is you remember the values. But again, if the values are so big, I generally recommend 1 to 100. So it was a little bit time wasting question, that's all. Because there is no theory to figure out prime numbers. Nobody, like till date. Nobody till date. So the distance between Amit's home to his office is this. Okay, sir. If he leaves his house at 9 a.m., reaches at this, meaning how much time he is taking? Sir, 45 minutes. Can I say this? So distance I know the time, I need the speed. Sir, but again kilometer per hour, meaning I have to convert this into hour. This is already in kilometer. So by 60 you do. That is by 60 you do, that will give you in hour. So 3 by 4, 3 15s, 3 4 15s. Sir, I know distance, I know speed. Can you, I know time. Can you find speed? Definitely, sir. Divide. This will go that way. 36 kilometer per hour, sir. 36 is option number 2. Very simple question. Very simple. Next one, sir. In an academy, the total number of students who passed is 20% less than the failed students. If the number of total students is 1800, then how many students have passed? Again, let me say this. How many students have passed? Can I simply give you one trick here? Can I simply give you one trick here? 20% less than the failed students have passed. So use options rather than anything. It generally gives you better results. Understand? Just let me say this. If 1800, so if it was equal, half 50% has passed, 50% hasn't. So it will be 900. Now sir. Number of students who passed, it is more, sir. Meaning, sir, it will be more than 900. So first two options are not possible. So answer lies between these two. Answer actually lies between these two. Let's check, sir. So pass student is, if the failed student, if I take 100%, this is failed. The pass students will be, sir, how much, sir? 120%, 20%. Acha. One second. Passed is less. Sorry, I have taken opposite. 20% less than the failed students. So more students has failed. Okay. Then the opposite will happen, sir. So this is less than 900 because number of students who have passed, it is 20% less. So less numbers of less than 50% has passed. Because in that case, if like 50%, like adha, in that case it will be half and half. 1800, 900 passed, 900 failed. But it is not the case. Passing number of students is less. So these two cannot be the answer. These two has to be the answer. Anyone from here, anyone from these two. Now, sir. So if like 100 students have failed the exam, then this will be less. That means it will be 80% of the students. 80% of the students. Right, sir? Right, sir? That means the ratio, this is passed. Ratio is, sir, 5:4. 5:4, sir. And total, sir, total is, sir, how much, sir? Total 5 plus 4 is 900 units. Like this is 1800 units, sir. This is, sir, 1800 units, sir. So 5 plus 4, that is total student, 9 units ka value is 1800. Sir, the number of students who passed, that is, sir, 80%, meaning 4 parts. 4 parts will be 200 into 4, sir, 800 students. So option number 1 is your correct answer, sir. Option number 1 is your correct answer. This is the proper way. Another way, sir, 800 students if they have passed. So how many hasn't passed, sir? Sir, 1000 students have failed. Is 800 20% less than 1000? Yes, sir, that is my answer. If you understand this, again, a very, very interesting way I am showing you. Sir, I am saying 800, if 650 was my answer. So that means if 600 students have passed, how many have failed? Total is 1800. So 1250 students have failed. Is 20% less of 1250, 650? Never. It is almost half. It is almost half, 50% less. So it cannot be the answer. Similarly, these two never can be the answer. Whereas, if it is 800, the total is 1000, like total is 1800, so failed student is 1000. So number of students who passed, is it 20% less than 1000? Yes, absolutely. That is my answer. You can also go by options. Now, sir. Two partners AB started with 20,000 rupees each. After a year, partner B left the business. Partner C joined the business with 40,000. At the end of 2 years, the profit of 12,000 is shared amongst them. The difference between A, B and C. So let's always in this type of Mahabharat questions, Mahabharat type questions of partnership, go with the flow, nothing else. Right, sir? A is to B. Then again C will come. We will directly figure out the profit sharing ratio. Profit share means like the money into time. So they started with 20,000 and 20,000. A and B. C is not yet in the picture. After 1 year, partner B left the business. So B's money was there for 1 year. And so partner C is like whatever this and that. And partner A is acha bacha, he is not doing anything. He is invested. He is staying invested for the whole duration of like the 2 years. Now partner C now joins in the second year onwards. What? With 40,000 rupees. So for how many years? So our total business was for 2 years. Now partner C joined 1 year late, so his money will be there for 1 year. So that is the simple thing, sir. That is the simple profit sharing ratio. So 20, 20, 42. So this is 2:1:2, sir. Now, what is the difference between C and B, sir? Total is 12,000. C and B means, sir, 1 unit ka difference. And total, sir, 2 plus 1, that is 5 units. The total profit is 5 units, that is 12,000 rupees. And difference is 1 unit. You need to find the value of 1 unit. 12,000 by 5, sir. Again, you use that technique I just shown you. 2,400 rupees, sir. Option number 3. Option number 3, 2,400 rupees is your correct answer, sir. It is very, very, very simple. Once again, I'm saying this. Very, very simple. Sir, sum of first 15 even natural numbers, sir. Anyone here? Anyone? I'm giving you a little bit of time if you guys need. But can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me What can be done here? What can be done here, sir? What can be done here? Anybody, anybody. Tell me, tell me. Anybody here? Any idea regarding this? I'm more than happy. I am more than happy. Acha, if you don't know, there is a direct formula. Direct formula is there. But if there is someone who is saying, sir, I don't know, I don't know, I don't want to find out. But find out, so we must do. First 15 even numbers. Think like this. First even naturals. First is 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then till 15 terms, sir. Sir, can you take 2 common, sir? Yes, sir, I can take 2 common because 2 even means 2 is there in every number. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Sir, this is how many terms? Again 15 terms, sir. 15 terms means it will be 15 only 15th term. So 2 into, sir. This is what, sir? Sum of the first n natural numbers, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is 2 times of this. N is here 15. So 15 into 15 plus 1, 16 by 2, sir. So if you do that, you will always find 15 into 16. 225 plus 15, that is a 240. So that is option number 2. Again, let me now give you the formula directly. Sum of first, so sum of first n natural numbers, it is always n into n plus 1 by 2, we all know it. But again, sir, sum of first n even natural numbers, sir. The direct formula which you should remember actually is what, sir? You guys tell me now what happened. Sir, like we will make the formula. 15 numbers. So we are multiplying. The answer is last at the end 15 into 1 more. So can I say n into 1 more, sir? This is your formula. So again, just a quick bit of theory, sir. Sum of first n odd natural numbers. What happens, sir? It is simply n square. Simply n square. You can also check. You can also check this. Very, very simple stuff. But again, if I think, like what I believe, you should remember this if you are a serious candidate. So next one's a probability question. 7 white, 9 blue. 2 balls are drawn at random. What is the chance that one ball is white and other is blue, sir? Sir, total, sir, 7 balls, 9 balls. Total is 16 balls. Probability is the whatever we need by total. So total 16 balls. 16 balls are there, sir. Right? Sir, now I need to pick how much, sir? If you guys don't know C concept, then I have to explain. But again, if you know this, sir, 16 C2, can I say? I have to pick 2 balls from the, at random from the total of 16 balls. 15 C2, sir, into, sir. Now there are 7 white balls. I need to pick one because the one ball is white, other is blue. So 7 ball, out of that 1 ball has to be white, that is 7 C1, sir. So other one is 9 blue balls, that from there I need to pick one, that is your probability. A quick bit, sir. NC1 is always 1, like n. And also NC2 is always n into n minus 1 by 2. Do not wo khichdi mat pakana, because it is n plus 1. The second question, it is I am saying n minus 1. Please keep this in mind. Now there are multiple ways of doing probability, don't worry. I'll definitely go with that. 16 into 15 by 2. By 2 means it is multiplied 2. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are this. This is, and it's 2 8s are, so 21 by 40, sir. 21 by 40, option number 2 is your correct answer. Now, sir, if you are someone who thinks, sir, I'm not very comfortable in C, there is another way to think. Another way to think. So total 16 balls are there, 7 white, 9 blue. But here you need to think a little bit. Sir, what I am doing, first I am picking white. First I am picking white ball. What is the probability, sir? What is the probability, sir? 7 divided by sir, total, sir, 16, right, sir? Then I am like picking the blue ball. So total 9 out of total, sir, 1 ball I have already picked. So I cannot take, I have to take 15 balls. There are only 15 balls left in the bag because 1 ball I have already picked while picking white. Sir, this is this. But sir, again, this thing can be like, it can be, please understand, I can do this one first, this one last, this one first, this one last. So there are 2 situations multiplied 2, sir. Multiplied 2, sir. That is, now again, this is a little bit thinking wise, and this is, sir, what? This is nothing but a basic formula. So I always say it's better you go like this. It is better you go with this one. Everybody, you guys are getting my point? Everybody clear? Everybody, this is clear? 100% clear? Right, sir? Chalo ji. Chalo ji, sir. Next one. 20 liters, 12 liter mixture of Dettol and water, ratio is 1:5. How much water should be added to the mixture so the ratio becomes 1:8? So 2 ways you can solve this. You can solve this. Acha. Sir, you guys are commenting and now I'm only now I'm being able to see the comments. Rohit, extremely sorry, brothers. I just now I'm being able to see your comments. There was some issue. I guess there was some issue with the platform, like the YouTube thing. So for me, the last comment I saw was from RJ Ravi asking me to teach in Tamil. Afterwards, I've just seen the comments right now, like now. I don't know what is happening here. What is happening here? Chalo ji, sir. So yes, Sai has given answers, authentic, so many questions, so many. Rohit, sort of, perfect. Chalo. I don't know. Let's see. Sir, 12 liter mixture of Dettol and water, this is this, 1:5. Sir, there are 2 ways to go about this. There are 2 ways to go about this. Either, there are 2 ways. One is using what, sir? One is using the alligation. That is the best way, honestly. Another way, always remember, whatever is constant, you can make your equation around that. That also is a good way. But again, I use Hindi as well. Raj, thoda to main kar sakta hu, but like again, this channel is mainly for English audience, right? So that is why I don't really want to use that. But again, अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए ना कि भाई ये थोड़ा सा बता दीजिए, I'll be more than happy. I'll be more than happy, brother. Okay, आप थोड़ा बता देना मेरे को, थोड़ा बता देना, I'll do that. So again, Dettol to water ratio, sir, 1:5, right? So constant क्या है sir? Dettol constant है. Dettol is constant. So Dettol is, sir, 1/6. Can I say, sir? Total is 5 plus 1, 6 parts. Out of that, 1 part is Dettol. And sir, finally, sir, 1/9. Ratio of 1. What, like Dettol becomes 1/9. This is, that means water becomes, sir, 8/9. This is, sir, water. And sir, over here, what was water, sir? It was 1/6 was Dettol, so 5/6 was water. 5/6 was water. Yes, 5/6 water tha. Sir, do one thing, simple. Sir, you see, alligation mein, sir, 5/6 parts, this was like the water. Again, sir, final ratio I got 8/9, and little advanced alligation, nothing. I've done this, I've solved this type in this particular channel only. Now, what are we adding? So we are taking the alligation on water. We are taking the alligation on water. Water के ऊपर alligation ले रहे. So ये मेरा already था. This was the solution, and this is the resultant after all the addition has been done. तो मैंने क्या किया? What we have done? We have added only water. We have added only water. So think like this, कि that is also another solution. That is also another solution where the whole thing is water, the one part is water only. The whole 100%, whole one part is water only. So can I now use my alligation? So this was the solution. This was the water addition. This is the part where I'll add the water. So ratio कैसे निकलेगा sir? 1 minus 1 by like 8 by 9 is 1 by 9, and this I can do. This is 5 by 6. Sorry, 8 by 9 minus 5 by 6. So 9 2s are 18 is the LCM. 16 minus 15. So 1 by 18, sir. So do the ratio. It is 2:1. It is 2:1. That means ये 12 liter था ना. This was the solution is 12 liters. That means the two parts value is 12 liters into 6. So how much water do I need? I need 1 part of water, meaning into 6 you do. I need to add 6 liters of water, option number 2. The best way by far to solve this question. Using alligation is by far the best way to solve this type of questions. Again, I told you guys this in the paid batches, the students, like in alligation, the biggest problem is to find out, to identify where अच्छा this question can be solved using alligation. ये question alligation से solve हो सकता है, वही तो सबसे बड़ा challenge है, वही सबसे बड़ा challenge है. Sir, next question. 6-digit number, this is divisible by 14. Composite number से divisible, meaning sir, do this sir, 2 into 7. The value of x sir, the value of x sir. Sir, what we do, what was the divisibility rule of 7? It is a little tricky. 712 x 72. Do one thing sir, take this last digit into 2 you do. So it is remaining is 712 x 7. You multiply 2 into 2 4s and subtract. So it is at 712 x, now it becomes 3, 7 minus 4. Again you do the same thing, you multiply this. So it is becoming 712 x minus 3 2s are 6. Now tell me, now this has to be divisible by 7. This has to be divisible by 7 sir. How can I do that? 7 1. So if I put x equal to 0, you see, if you put one value, now you will get the idea. X equal to 0, that means the number is 7120 by 7 you do now. 7 1s are 7, 0, 7 1s are 7, 50. 7 7s are 49. Remainder sir is 1. Meaning if instead of this 0, if this was 1 sir, instead of this 0, if this was sir 1, I could have done it. You understand my point? So that means, please understand this. 1 second, no, not 1, but again 6. So that means sir, that means please understand 712 and x, if this was, so 0 is giving us 1 remainder. It is giving us 1 remainder. That means 7120, meaning 19, just the previous one, previous number is divisible by 7, you see, because we are getting a remainder of 1. If I put 7120, I am getting a remainder of 1. That means 1 पीछे जाएंगे. If I subtract 1, that is something that is divisible by 7. So that means, but I again have this 6 here. So this is divisible. So what minus 6 will give us 7119? Sir, what in place of this minus 6 will give me this? Sir, can I see if I put 5 here? Can I see if I put 5 here? 7125 minus 6 is 7119. And 7119 is divisible. That means this is divisible. That means this is divisible. So my answer to the question will be sir 5. The answer to this question will be sir 5. Very simple. So again, next one sir, angle of elevation of top of unfinished pillar at a point 150 meter from its base is 30 degree. The height, 12 already. I've taken so much extra time. Chalo ji sir. The angle of elevation of a top of an unfinished pillar. So this one sir. It is sir what? It is sir 150 meter from at a point 150 meter from its base is 30 degree. The height of that pillar must be raised so that the angle of elevation of the point may be 45 degree. Okay. Top of sorry, not this one. I don't need this. Okay. So angle of elevation from a point. Okay. So this is the unfinished pillar, or rather, let's make it like this. Let's make the diagram like this. So if I do this, So angle of elevation, this is the unfinished stage. This is 30 degrees, sir. Right, sir? Now, 150 meter from its base, 150 meters from its base, sir. Okay. So that means this distance is, sir, 150 meters. This is 30 degree. Now they are asking, you need to make the pillar such that this is 45 degree. So how much height it needs to be raised, that much, this distance they are asking. How much in height we need to raise this still. Okay. The height of the pillar they are asking. Sir, how can I do this? Sir, in this triangle, the smaller one, 30 opposite is always in 30, 60, 90 triangle. This is 1 and this is, sir, root 3. Root 3 value is, sir, 150. Can you figure out the value of 1? Sir, it will be, sir, 150 divided by root 3, or you can say 50 root 3, sir. Total distance, if this is 45, now 45 means this side is equal to this whole side. So this is 150 means this is also 150. So what is this distance, sir? 150 minus 50 root 3. If you calculate, it is, sir, 50 common, sir, 3 minus root 3. Sir, or, sir, I can say 50 into root 3 value is 1.732. I am taking 1.7 only. 3 minus 1.7 is 1.3. So 5 13s are 65. It is around 65 meters. The option is this one, sir. The option is, sir, this one. The answer is, sir, this one. Again, everybody clear? Everybody is clear, sir? Very, very, very simple questions. So again, a sum of amount, this length at this, sir, this is 1 by 6. 16 whole 2 by 3. It is very simple. This is 1 by 6. Rate of interest compounded annually. Okay, sir. Sir, always a P ratio amount. Let's take, na, sir, here. Sir, 1 by 6 is what, sir? 1 by 6 is interest. 1 by 6 is, sir, interest. So meaning, sir, if my 1 by 6 means if I say 6 rupees is my principal, my amount will be 6 plus 6 into like 16 and a half, like 16 whole 2 by 3 bits, sir. Meaning, sir, 1 rupee more, sir. Can I say this? Meaning, sir, if my principal is 6 rupees, my interest is 1 rupee, my amount is 7 rupees. Sir, how many years are we talking about? 3 years. So after 3 years, what happens? You can take this cube as your ratio, sir. So it is 216 ratio 343. This is principal, this is amount, right? So sir, now sir, what is the interest? Sir, interest, can you calculate? Interest is, sir, 343 minus 216 units. Sir, 116 to 43, how can we go? 23 and here 4, so 27. 127 units is the interest. So now principal is this is given as this. So they are saying 216 units is 15,120. And I need interest, sir, 127 units value, sir. 15120 by 216 into 127. Just calculate this, sir. Just do a little bit of calculation, sir. 9 ones are this. This is not divisible by 9. So this is 216, na, sir. 7 4 see karte. 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are this. 4 3s are 12, 30, 4 7s are 28, 12, 4 3s are this. 7 18 से multiple जा रहा है? I don't know, sir. 7 3 10 3 13. No, it's not divisible. It is not divisible. So the value is very bad looking. The value is coming. This is very, very bad looking, sir. 15,000 compounded. I haven't done anything wrong, no? Anything I haven't done wrong? Just a second, just a second. So 216 into 7 is this. 140, 1400. Achha. 1122115. अरे पागल क्या मैं? Extremely sorry, it is directly divisible, na, sir. It is 7, so your answer will be 127 into 7, sir. The answer is, sir, 127 times 7. Sir. It's very, very, very simple. Sir. So 7, 7. So it like approx, but again options are not matching. Na? What? Achha, the options, there is a problem. They are asking interest earned. The interest earned they are asking. So this is 70. This is 70 na, again extremely, तब तो बहुत easy है. 7 7s are 49, so the answer will end in 90. 9 and this 0 here. So 90, only one option, sir. Like again, I'm extremely sorry. Last time I'm not like 8890. Again, what, like I did all the calculations again. This 0 I forgot to put. Extremely sorry. So this is very, very simple. The question कुछ नहीं था. Question के अंदर कुछ नहीं था. ये वाला क्वेश्चन के अंदर कुछ नहीं था. Absolutely very simple. Very, very simple. Right, sir? Next one, sir. Unit digit of this. Unit digit of this. Sir, nothing. This is very simple. 6 into 8 into 3, sir. 6 into 8 into 3. Unit digits always comes from unit digits. 3 8s are 24. 4 into 6, sir. Again to 24. 4 will be the unit digit option 1, sir. Next one, sir. Average of 15 numbers is 30. Ratio between the average of the first 5. Arey Roshan, why I'll come from England, brother? Like this is an English medium channel, brother. That is the reason we are doing it in English, right? So if you want a little bit of Hindi, please ask me. पूछ लो भाई क्या है? The ratio between the average of the first 5 numbers, that of the middle 5 numbers, and the last 5 numbers is this, sir. Okay. Find the average of the first 10 numbers, right? Sir, please understand, 15 numbers are there. 15 numbers are there. First 5 numbers, I'm saying A. Next 5 numbers, I'm saying B. Last 5 numbers, I'm saying C. 5, like it's a pack of 5. Pack of 5. So total is 30 into 15, 150, like 450, sir. Sorry. Sir, 450, sir. Right, sir? Now, always remember, whatever is the ratio of average, same is the ratio of the sum. Because to all are 5 numbers only. वो 5 नंबर ही तो है. English है आपका channel तो, अरे नहीं, this is the English channel, brother. The most of the audience here is English based. That is why we are like all of us here only talk in English mostly. लेकिन ठीक है, like कुछ ना कुछ बता देंगे क्या है. Now, sir, sum ratio is also same. Sum का ratio भी same होगा, sir. Right, sir? If that thing happens, that means ये वाला sum का ratio होगा 2x, ये वाले का होगा sir x, ये वाले का होगा sir 3x. That is equal to 450. And now they are asking ये दोनों का value चाहिए. So 3x plus 3x, that means 6x. 3x का value क्या होगा? Half of this, 450 का आधा. So that is a 225. Or if you want, 6x is this, 3x का value आप निकाल लो, कोई problem नहीं, वो भी चलेगा. रोशन, वो तो मैं नहीं बता सकता भाई, वो तो नहीं बता सकता. ठीक है? Now sir, अभी उसका average पूछा है. Now they are asking उसका average. Sum है 225, 10 नंबर का. This one, this 5 number, this 5 number, this 5, this 5. So what will be the average, sir? By 10 कर दीजिए. You divide this thing by 10, sir. The answer will be 22.5. That is option number 3. Option number 3 is the correct answer. The simplest way to approach this question. Sir, next one, sir. When a 10% discount is given on an article, then its selling price is rupees this. Okay. But what will be the selling price if 2 successive discounts of 15 and 20 is given? So total इनका total discount निकाल लो, the resultant discount using what? Using the AB theorem. So it will be 15 plus 20 minus 15 into 20 by 100. So that is 3, sir. 15, this is 35 minus 3, sir, 32%. So पूछा है, what they are asking? 10% discount. So that the selling price is this, right? Selling price, what will that be if there is 32% discount? So 10% discount, what does it mean? So if MP is 100 rupees, modular method will be using. SP1 or selling price will be, sir, 10% less, 90 rupees. So what will be the SP2, sir? Selling price 2, if there is 32% like discount, sir, it will be, sir, 68%. It will be, sir, 68%. So 2970 किसका वैल्यू है सर? 90 का वैल्यू है when there is a 10% discount. SP2 पूछा क्या है कि 68 का वैल्यू क्या होगा? What will be the selling price in that case? So 0 gone. This is, sir, 9 3s are 27. Again 9 3s are this. So 33 into 68. Do not do anything. 8 into 3 is 24 होता है. My answer unit digit 4, sir. Which option? This option. Done. Done, sir. This much we need. Sir, reciprocal of HCF. Sir, HCF में क्या होता है? 14 by 11, 2 by 5, 7 by 10. HCF means ऊपर का HCF. You HCF always of numerator and opposite in the denominator. But reciprocal पूछ रहा है, तो क्या करें? Tell me. So HCF if I take, so HCF of the like the numerators, right? You HCF of the numerator, so that will go. Reciprocal means it will go downwards. So it will be HCF of 14, 2 and 7. That is, sir, 1, because 7 is a prime number. And LCM of the denominators. So 5 and 10 you don't need to take it because 10 already has 5. So it is 110, sir. 110 by 1, sir, 110. That is your answer. That is clearly your answer. Very simple thing. Compound ratio of this, again very simple. Multiply hota hai, sir. 11, 13, 26, 55. So compound ratio mein multiply means you can calculate, you can cancel, sir. This is 5 times, this is 2 times. The ratio 2, ratio 5, option 2. Option 1, sir. Next one, sir. Third proportional is this. So x ka value, sir. Third proportional is this, sir. That means 64, x and 144, they are in proportion. So x square, it will be equal to 64 into 144. X will be square root of this, square root of this. So they are asking, so like 12 nines, 8 12s are 96. They are asking root over of plus 4, root over of 100, sir. 10, sir, answer. Option number 4. Again the next one, sir. How? 30, this is 30. I'm saying how many questions are there? 30. Sir, this is 335 people from a petrol pump in a day. Quantity of petrol in liters, right? What is the ratio of the number of people who purchase petrol between 5 liters and 7 liters to the number of people who below 3 liters? Sir, below 3 liters means, sir, anything here. 40 and 75. That is 115. 5 to 7 means, sir, we start from here, we end up over here, sir. End up over here, sir. End up over here, sir. That is, sir, how much? 60 here, 22 here. That is 82, sir. 115, 82, 115, 82, this one, sir. That is your answer, and that was our last question. Again, I hope this is absolutely clear to everyone. I've taken a little bit more time, as you guys know. Again, this is our Hindi channel, like the English channel, where we are like doing this class. And for those who are asking, sir, what was the Hindi channel? This is the Hindi channel. The name is SSC Coaching by Oliveboard. Okay. And I hope you guys understood the things we have discussed. Again, if you have any questions, you need a class on anything, any particular topic, please do comment in the comment section. And if you have liked the session, please do hit that like button. Again, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next week with another video. So thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye.